Anthurium plants are toxic to human and pets. Yes, the Anthurium plants, often called flamingo flowers, or it contain calcium oxalate crystals which are toxic when ingested. These needle-like crystals can cause irritation to the mouth, throat, and digestive system. The symptoms of anthurium poisoning can include painful burning sensation in the mouth and throat, blisters and swelling inside the mouth, difficulty in swallowing, and hoarseness in the voice, nausea and vomiting in some cases. It is important to keep these plants out of reach of pets and children as they may be especially susceptible to serve reactions. If ingestion occurred, the anthurium sap can also be irritating to the skin and causing redness, itching, and rashes in the sensitive individuals. Wearing gloves while handling the plants is recommended. Pets, particularly cats and dogs, may also experience similar symptoms if they chew on anthurium plants. The common sign in pet including pawing at the mouth, excessive drooling, vomiting, and decreased appetite. If a pet ingested a part of an anthurium, it is important to contact a veterinarian as soon as possible. In most of the cases, the effect of anthurium poisoning are limited to short-term irritation and discomfort. But in more severe or untreated cases, prolonged exposure can lead to persistent throat irritation, scarring, and secondary infection. So be careful with dealing the anthurium plants. Thank you for watching.